see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
I got prawns on. I'm gonna put some prawns.
Dad, put all my Easter eggs in there.
Yeah.
Piso nessa areia fina, vejo no mar uma menina. Doce Bahia. Vejo dominó na esquina e banguelo sorrindo de ar.
Hey, bug. Oh, let me remove all of this. Oh, I wish I took this one.
No, we should have get the basket for the.
Look how big that fly is. Wait, that has fly spray. Wow, Mom. Cooking. What? I need a spoon. This spoon. I'm too short.
I'll get a knife.
Ooh. I'll show you then.
Smash.
18 centimeters and 7 inches. Knife. You gotta be careful with this. We don't want to cut ourselves. Wait, how are you gonna cook them? Or are you gonna bring them home? That smells good. Wait, is that why you were watching that? Wait, oh, there's a cat put it there. Oh, cat put it there. Why don't I? Where?
This one table, Baba. And where's the? Fork and knife. Oh, that's on the table. And that spring roll.
And this. It's malamig. Let's get into it. And I haven't
You know what? We need the plate. Pala. Ako naman.
a plate. And guys, I done this once. My second time doing this. And I forgot. So my mum's gonna show me. Because I forgot. But I definitely know you need one of this. Obviously. Then you put it there. And then you just put the stuff there, like the sticky stuff. And then you put the meat inside, and then you just. I actually don't know. Yeah. It's a big fly. I'm so excited. Okay. Water.
Alright. I just need to show you first. You know how to do it, but
I
this
just
is
forgot.
a small version. You just need this. No,
We're not
middle.
at the-
Middle. Middle. And then all you have to do is
tuck that in.
no, this is not small. I want smaller than this. It's fine. It's fine.
You already done
Yeah, too. Because I thought I cut it.
it. So just a full spoon.
Yeah, 2 cakes.
The kitchen looks insane. There's so much room, practical. It's gonna be great to make
That in.
No, there's a lot of meat.
Well, the boys love it. And then you put water. Okay, got it, guys.
But you have to make it
What way
tight.
do you want it? Anyway.
Make it tight. No, I want small baba.
Okay. Oh, like the mini ones.
Mini
I want the
one.
mini
That's
ones.
right. I want mini.
The ones that we had in the car.
Yeah, I want mini.
Okay, so less.
Yeah, so what we have to do is 1 teaspoon like this, put in the middle.
Doesn't matter what way we do it.
No, light gray, long one. Middle, put in the middle. Middle, no, like this. Did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
Yes. And then, okay, I'll wait for you. Just put it up na. Parang matatagalan pa tayo, baba. Okay. Then,
Oh.
you put this one here. No. Put this one, overlap, like this. And then you push it down
And
tight.
then roll it.
Yes.
I think that's too much meat.
Okay, it's alright. Just have to push it down.
So it's tight. And then I put water.
Just like this. But make it sure it's tight, Baba. Tight. It's not gonna go anywhere. Okay.
Look how long that one is.
You have to.
I'm on to my next one, guys.
We have to make the regular one, and because we have visitor, BJ is coming. So you do the mini one. I'll do the meat, okay? Tight, Baba, huh? Like
Yeah, I'm
tight.
tucking it in.
Today, we're taking you on a floating picnic. We soak up the luxury of the crystal brook and our boat first in Talaga. And we're taking dining. Get ready. This is Brisbane like you've never seen it before. Let's eat with George. Brisbane, where the sun hits differently and the food hits even harder. Wrapped around the iconic Brisbane River, this city floats over
Yeah.
two
And then make it more tighter, please.
of sunshine a year, and it shows.
That's alright, but if you can make it more tighter.
Always on the move.
No, it's BJ. It's Brendan J. Howard.
Is Brent cousin?
Huh? Brent?
No, the one with the horse.
Yeah, cousin. Yeah, we're all cousins, we're all blood. Oh, look at these fingers, we'll go. Oh, yeah, Booger. So that's got bloody fly spray.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to. You don't have to check them.
No need to check twice. You get quality for less. That's Aldi prices. Aldi, good different.
Hungry Jack's snack wraps. Crispy, juicy, 100% Aussie chicken. Wrapped up for only $3.95. With 3 delicious sauces. It's tender snack wrap time at Hungry Jack's.
Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. is how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me.
And top with some key trim bill and a
That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Doesn't feel like it was long ago. We were head over heels in love, thought it'd last forever, but somehow we got lost. Looking back, I didn't realize what was wrong with me. I can't deny I took you for granted. You finally had enough.
Dad, no, not Tolly, Daddy. Wow, Kuya.
Update, guys. I've done a lot of spring rolls, and my mum cooked some already, and they're really good. And there's some also, there's some here, and my dad and Kuya TJ are feeding the horses, and I think they're coming back soon. And this is how much progress I made.
Kuya, can you get me one bucket there, please? Empty bucket, please. Empty bucket, please. Any bucket there, empty bucket that used for water. I have one there, DJ. Just get me any bucket or any empty bucket there. Wala pa kasi kami dito tubig. Hintayin pa namin yung gagawa.
How do we differentiate ragtime from switch?
Huh?
What we do is we focus on the food quality actually in before, and we focus on the things that really improve and help out at home.
Yeah, we know that.
The area on the corner block, we've designed it to have a dual facade frontage.
Ultimately, it comes down to the feedback.
Absolutely.
What have you been getting? What have the people been saying?
Being a national supplier.
How are you doing, Baba? You're enjoying it?
letras pretas não saem do lugar quando cor inglês pergunta um xadrez porque não tem mais onde quando o prelúdio nem começar e assim breve cansar de respirar quando o trombone não quiser assoprar e os dedos da harpa não vão